Hello?
Hi po. I
Hi.
can't believe po na ano ko, but sorry po for my accent. I'm actually Bisaya from Cebu.
What's wrong? Ano ngayon kung Bisaya ka?
Yeah, nahihiya lang po ako magsalita ng Tagalog, but yeah, I'll try my best po. But
It's
anyway,
okay.
thank you for
It's okay. You sound good. Don't worry about your accent.
Okay.
So,
you.
what's your name?
Yeah, my name is actually Quinn, but I did not use my real last name.
Okay
But
lang.
yeah, you can call me Quinn.
Ano spelling ng Queen na yan?
Quin.
Quin.
Yes.
Queen ang basa dyan?
Yes.
Okay. Ilang taon ka na, Queen?
28.
28. Where are you from? Where are you tonight?
I'm located in Cebu City right now.
Cebu, kamusta kayo? How are you doon sa baha?
Okay naman po siya sa ngayon. Okay na siya. But affected din po kami ng bagyo. But so far, hindi po like nagrabihan yung bahay namin. Unlike sa iba, but we're good. But thank you for asking.
Oh, that's good. Kasi di ba ang daming nasalanta?
Oo po. Totoo po yan.
Ang lala nung sobrang lala nung bagyo na yun, no?
Dami pong namatay. Dami pong hindi pa naka-recover.
Yeah.
But,
Anyways, anong ginagawa mo sa buhay?
So, right now, nag-work po ako and living alone since birth. I mean, I saw kasi yung video mo po, yung nag-share ka na 10 years old ka pa lang. Like, shinare po ko kasi nakarelate po ako nun. So, para malaman niyo po yung background ko, so I grow up like living sa kapatid ng parents ko kasi di ko nakita yung papa at mama ko. Ever since kasi naghiwalay sila nung bata pa ako then. So yun, working student since elementary, high school to college. And so far, last year, nakagraduate na po ako.
So,
and then,
what age did you start?
Start for working student.
Yeah.
Since grade 2.
Grade 2?
Yeah.
Anong mga, teka lang, that's interesting. Anong mga trabaho mo nung grade 2 ka?
So, bali po, let's say, ikaw yung guro ko, teacher ko nun. So, sasabihin nila na sa akin ka tumira, maghuhugas ka ng pinggan, tapos you're free everything, like clothes, like your shelter, lahat.
Okay.
Kasi mahirap din po yung kapatid kasi ng ng mga kapatid ng papa ko. So, yun, maaga ko namulat sa nakarelate po ako nun sa video niyo po. So, yung daming pinagdaanan since elementary, high school, until naging 28, then recently, kasi sa daming pinagdaanan, sabihin ng mga tao sa'yo na dapat strong ka na kasi dami mo pinagdaanan eh. Ngayon ka palang ba susuko? Ngayon ka lang pa ba mapapagod like that? But ang reality po kasi is iba. I don't know if napagod lang ba ako, but di ko po talaga mag-get like lang po ako eh. I'm working hard po. Kasi single mom na din po ako the same time.
May anak ka na rin. Okay.
Yeah. But separate po kami ng papa niya since 2017.
So, ilang taon ka na nagkaanak ka? That's 2017. Matagal-tagal na rin.
Yes po.
8 taon na yung anak mo. Tama ba ako?
Yes po, tama.
8 years na. So, 20 years old ka nagkaanak.
Yes po, true.
Okay.
So, tanong ko lang po na mali po bang mapagod?
Mali po bang mapagod?
Opo.
Of course not. Okay, give me the context. Why are you asking me that?
Kasi nasanay po ako na ako lang po, pero like lately lang, parang ang hirap like accept ko yung reality na ako lang mag-isa, like yung mga kapatid ko din po, di kami grow up together, so di kami close, tatlo kami, ako yung youngest. Yung alam niyo po yun, yung pagod ka na tapos wala kang mapagsabihan, wala kang karapatan tumigil, wala kang karapatang magsabi na pagod ka na kasi wala kang ibang option, wala kang ibang choice. Ganun. Pero napakahirap po, saka pagod na po talaga. Like, di po ko religious po, but I always pray. Kasi yun lang yung meron ako.
Go ahead.
And right now po, di ko po maintindihan kung I'm on the right track pa ba. Like, ano ba, like, wala bang hangganan to, like, ganun po. I don't know.
Okay, Queen. Let's please give me the context of what happened. Ba't ka ganito ngayon?
Napagod na po.
Hindi, may ano yan, may trigger yan ngayon. There must be something that happened, I don't know if today or recently, para maramdaman mo yan. Anong trigger nito?
One po is, isa po ko sa napiktuhan nung, like, shutdown sa company.
Oh, so na-retrench ka?
Yes po.
Okay.
But, tapos, you know, since wala akong malapitan and all, parang dead end lahat sa akin. Like, wala akong malapitan, lahat-lahat. Tapos, I don't know if saan ako magsisimula ulit. Tapos, napagod na talaga ako. Alam mo yun, like, hindi ko na po talaga alam gagawin ko, like, lahat, like, responsibility, like, identity crisis pa ako ngayon. Yun po, di ko po maintindihan yung sarili ko ngayon po.
You don't have a work today?
Yes.
How do you keep up? Paano yung pangangailangan ng anak mo?
Nasa papa po kasi siya ngayon. Yung papa niya yung tinirahan niya. Which is good. But wala pa akong mabigay na iintindihan naman ng...
So, sa madaling sabi, you are just looking after yourself now?
Yes.
Okay. Wala kasi yung suportahang iba? Wala?
Po?
Wala kasi yung suportahang iba?
Wala. Like, self ko lang ngayon.
Okay. Kailan ka pa Kailan ka pa walang work? How long ago?
Supposedly August pa. Tapos, pagka-September na yung final. So, September, October, November till now. But...
Almost 3 months na. Okay. Go ahead. I'm listening to you.
Yun po, gusto ko lang po talagang malaman kung ungrateful lang po ba ako or I don't know, like, yeah, kasi sasabihin ng iba, may experience ka na, you're graduate. Like, sabihin nila, ang dami mo na pinagdadaanan, tapos ngayon ka lang ba susuko. Ganun.
May hinala ako, Queen.
Mm-mm.
I have a hunch. Yun ba yun? Hinala is hunch, no? Tama ba ako?
I'm not really sure.
Hinala is hunch, no? I have a hunch. You wanna hear?
Sure.
Okay. Because I know exactly where you're coming from. Feeling ko, what you're going through right now is just that hindi ka sanay na hindi ka productive. Hindi ka sanay ng wala kang pakinabang for other people. Alam mo, people like you are my people, no? I know exactly yung likaw ng mga bitukang kagaya mo. Likaw ng mga bituka ng mga taong kagaya mo. Na babaliw tayo kapag feeling natin wala tayong pakinabang sa kapwa natin. Because in most cases, yung mga effort natin na ginagawa natin, siguro kung less than half of that ay para sa atin, no? We always look forward to offering our services to other people, to family, to friends, to people around us. Kaya pag wala tayong income, we don't really worry about, di ba, about ourselves. It's not for us that we worry about. We worry about the people who are yung mga taong umaasa sa atin. Am I making sense?
Like,
ha?
yes po. Feel ko po kasi I'm not doing enough. Like, feel ko di pa talaga enough yung...
Okay, sige, may tanong ako sa'yo. Sagutin mo, ha? Kasi alam mo, sometimes I ask this to myself, eh. Baka ikaw masagot mo to. Kasi ako, I'm having hard time answering this question. Kung sakaling mayaman ka ngayon. Mayaman ka, ha? Like you have everything that you... financially. You have everything that you want in life. You can make things happen kasi may pera ka. Wala kang kailangan bills na bayaran, ha? Anong gagawin mo ngayon?
Siguro, I will spend it to help other people or my family. Ganun. Yung mga nangangailangan. Kasi I do believe na yung totoo talagang mayaman is yung mapagbigay na tao.
Nakita mo ba yung dynamics ng tanong ko? It's actually a trick question. I ask you what you want to do. And I was hoping you do something for yourself. But practically, you don't want to do something for yourself. You just nakuha mo, nakitama-tama ako, di ba? Kanina sinasabi ko sa'yo, di ba? People like you, we worry for other people's welfare more than our welfare. Kaya kung mayaman ka ngayon, lahat ng pera nasa iyo, lahat ng kailangan mo, I ask you, what do you want to do? Sabi mo, you would help people. So walang para sa sarili mo. Okay, let's try to baguhin natin ng konti yung tanong. Halimbawa, kumpleto ka ng kayamanan sa mundo at kailangan mag-enjoy ka for yourself, not for other people. Ano gagawin mo?
Mag-travel. Mag-travel siguro.
Mag-travel?
Oo. Kita ko ganda ng mundo. ano talaga, Papa Joy, I mean, yung nafe-feel ko po kasi talaga ngayon, alam mo yung may gusto kang mapagsabihan ng lahat. Yung gusto mo magpahinga, ganun. Kasi mapagod ka na. Tapos wala yung ibang tao. I know na may different struggle din yung ibang tao, but wala akong mapagsabihan, like they're willing to understand or listen ba. And then I don't
sige, halimbawa Queen, may mapagsasabihan ka. Halimbawa ako 'yon. Anong gusto mong sabihin?
Yun po, yung pagod na po.
Napaka-ironic. Alam mo kung bakit paulit-ulit ako? Alam mo kung bakit? You keep on saying pagod ka, pero wala kang trabaho ngayon. Very ironic, no? Saan ka pagod? Pagod kang mag-deliver ng expectation sa ibang tao. Is that what you actually meant when you said pagod ka?
Hindi po. Like,
what do you mean?
Like, pagod ka nang lumaban sa life ba, ganun. Kasi though wala akong work po, may sideline po ko na real estate, and everyday nag-meet up ako ng clients, though di sila go, ganun. Tapos alam mo yung kahit anong gawin mo na pagpo-pursue na maging better ka, parang walang patutunguhan. Ganun po yung pagod na nafe-feel ko eh. Yung di ako umasa sa iba, ganun. Like, ako lang talaga, tapos parang pagod ka na ikaw na lang mag-isa palagi ba? Lumalaban, ganun. Yung wala kang backup, wala kang karamay. Yun yung pagod na nafe-feel ko.
Oh, okay.
Ako lang
I get it.
Ba?
I get it. So you're not really tired. You are demotivated.
Hopefully, ganun po lang.
Okay. So can we set at that the proper word that you want to use is demotivated ka? Tama?
Yeah, I think so po.
Okay. Now, let's go back to your original question kanina. Sabi mo sa akin kanina, Papa Jackson, normal ba to? Kaya mo ako tinawagan kasi nakita mo nung nakaraang gabi nung kausap ko si Rafaela. Miyak ako, di ba? But I think it had the opposite effect on you. Kasi I was trying to motivate her, pero parang iba ang naging effect sa'yo. Parang ikaw na demotivate ka naman.
Like, nakarelate po ako sa'yo. Ganun.
Well, if you listen to what I said nung nakaraang gabi, actually never ako napagod, no? So dahil sinali mo ako sa kwento mo, I'll tell you something. I'll answer your first question. Normal po ba ito nararamdaman ko? Of course, normal yan. Kasi napapagod tayo eh. Sometimes, it is life's way of making us reset a lot of buttons sa buhay natin. Kasi pag hindi tayo bibigyan ng buhay ng yun, yung pakiramdam na pagod tayo, hindi naman tayo magre-reset eh. Hindi tayo magre-regroup. Hindi natin titignan kung yung ginagawa ba natin araw-araw is intended to benefit us in the long run, or we're just doing it kasi yun na yung routine natin araw-araw. May hinala ako, Queen, na you've been working so hard since almost all your life, but you still don't know exactly what you want to become in the future. Tama?
I think that's the right word.
Yan. No? Hindi mo pa alam kung saan mo iaalay lahat ng pagod na to. Hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta lahat ng to. Trabaho ng trabaho. Anong gagawin ko sa buhay?
Yeah.
Well, alam mo, okay, unang-una sa lahat, you are just 28 years old. Tama, no?
Mm-mm.
Okay. You are 28 years old. there are people who are going to figure out what they want in life later in life. Hindi lahat ng tao sa edad na 28, sometimes 35, sometimes even older than that, alam na nila kung anong gusto nilang gawin sa buhay. Not everyone. May mga tao naman, Queen, na maagang-maaga pa lang they want to know what they want in life. May kilala nga ako elementary pa lang, alam na niya kung anong magiging kulay ng gown niya pag kinasal siya So magkakaiba tayo, no? And I guess your time to recognize or identify exactly what, what you want to become in life, you are yet to discover that, no? Maybe some of the people you're going to meet soon will make you realize that. Pero wag kang ma-dishearten kapag as we see tonight, hindi mo maintindihan ang gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Because sa ganyang edad, you are not really expected to know everything you want in life. It's normal. Pero may payo ako sa'yo. Gusto marinig?
Yes po, please.
Okay. Would you please, Queen, pwede po ba na the next few years of your life, yung mga bagay na gusto mo naman ang gawin mo? Or maybe majority of what you do and most of your resources, ialay mo naman sa growth mo as a person. Total, yung anak mo naman, nasa father. So you have the leeway, you have the wiggle room to discover, no? What you can do in life. Pero wag mong wag mong puwersahin ang sarili mo to find out what life has. Sometimes by doing things ordinarily, that's when you discover what life is offering us. Halimbawa, sabi mo kanina, if you have all the money in the world and you would just cater to yourself, ang gagawin mo lang ay mag-travel buong buhay. Tama? See the world, no? Alam mo, yan ang common na pangarap lately. Di ba yun ang gagawin mo, sabi mo?
Yes po.
So, bakit hindi ka mag-focus na ma-achieve mo yan? Madali naman yan Sometimes you just have to start.
Thank you po.
Alam mo, it's very difficult to give you an advice, Queen, because, you don't exactly know what you're looking for. Maybe you're not looking for anything. Hindi mo naisip yan. Maybe you're not looking for anything. Maybe you are just meant to be good to other people, enjoy life, and then later on, life will give you what you need. Alam mo ba nung naging DJ ako? Kwentuhan kita. Alam mo ba naging DJ ako? 5 taon na ako may pangalan. Kasi nung time na yun, wala namang Facebook. Nagsisimula pa lang ang Twitter noon. So, pag sumikat ka sa radyo, sumikat ka talaga. Siguro mga 5 taon na akong may pangalan sa radyo. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong gustong gawin sa buhay. Totoo. Hindi ko pa rin alam. Pero pangarap ko yung pagdi-DJ Pero nung naging DJ na ako, Queen, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng DJ ako. Anong klaseng DJ gusto ko? Hindi ko maintindihan. Hanggang, actually, matagal na panahon bago ko tinanggap na baka meron akong knack, no? Baka maybe I have a gift listening to other people's story. Took me a while. Siguro, kailan lang talaga Diba kinikwento ko nga sa inyo, pag nagigis nga ako sa TV, ayoko nagpapayo na ako gusto ko may iba namang gagawin. Kaya nung kinikwento ni Kuya Kim yung pag may pelikulang ini-invite siya, lagi na lang siya yung trivia, Kuya Kim siya lagi, di ba? Ayun niya nun. Naramdaman ko yun Tawan-tawa ako pag naririnig ko yun So, may point, hindi ko binibida yung kwento ko sa'yo. Sinasabi ko lang sa'yo na even before I stumbled dito sa career na ginagawa ko ngayon, it took me a very long time to know what I want in life. At dumaan ako dyan. Yun nangangapa ako. Ano magagawin ko sa buhay ko? You know what? One day soon you're going to meet someone that maybe you do not know what you want, but that person is going to show you what are the options. Tsaka alam mo ba, Queen? Nagbabago yung mga gusto natin gawin sa buhay depende sa edad natin. Totoo yun. Because what are the important things in life would depend kung ano yung edad natin. Gusto mo sample?
Yes po.
When you're younger, pag mga elementary ka, what are the important things in life? Friends, di ba? School crush. Yan, tama, di ba?
Yes.
Yan yun Pag nag-high school ka na, gadget na. Tama, no? JS pram na. Di na umikot yung mundo mo. Diba? Yung group work. Pag nag-work ka na, career na, iba na, nag-iiba na. So, maybe nandun ka sa transition era mo na from one phase to the next one, nandun ka sa pagitan na yun. So, if you don't know exactly kung saan ka magta-transition, don't be too harsh on yourself. Tanong mo ano nang gusto kong gawin ngayon sa buhay. Dali, i-share ko sa'yo. Ask me.
Ano po gusto niyo sa buhay niyo ngayon?
Well, gusto ko pa rin magpayo. Kasi feeling ko marunong ako makinig ng kwento. But you know what I want? I want to buy a farm. At least 2 hectares. And I will rescue all the dogs and the cats and all the animals I can. Yung ginawa ni sino yun? Si Jonalyn Veray ba yun? Yung nag-trending. Gusto kong gawin yun.
Si Jelay Atay.
Mayroon din siya, di ba? Ang tagal ko nang gustong gawin nun. I want to do that. Actually, may ipangarap ko yan. Kaya ko nilaunch yung sarili kong brand ng coffee. Pag yumaman yan, a part of that will go to animals. Bibili ako ng malaking lupa. Tapos if I have to put down an animal kasi may sakit, I will plant 1 tree in exchange of that animal. Tapos alam ko na yung punong kahoy na itatanim ko. It would be a fire tree, so it will become a tourist destination. Every tree will have a name. It will be named after the animal na namatay. I want that. And I'm so frustrated kasi hindi ko magawa. Just like you, I don't know kung kailan mangyayari. But maybe as you grow older, you develop patience. Siguro yun na meron ako. But I'm just like you, Queen. There are nights, there are days, there are times. Hindi ko rin alam kung anong gusto ko. Napapagod din ako, nauumay ako. Sakto nga tinawagan mo ako ngayon. Alam mo bang nag-leave ako sa trabaho ng 2 buwan? Nasa bahay lang ako. Tanong mo ako kung bakit.
Bakit po?
Because I feel what you feel. I'm burned out. Nababurnout ka, di ba?
Yes po.
You get demotivated. I want something new. Wala akong sweldo ng 2 buwan. Pikit mata. Magbibenta na lang ako ng atay siguro. Bahala na. So I get you. I get you. So anong point ko? Ba't sinasali ko sarili ko sa kwento mo? It's because it's normal.
Mm-mm.
It's normal. We all go through what you go through. We all go through what you go through.
Parang, may thinking po ako na kung bakit hindi pa binigay ni Lord yung gusto mong mangyari na magka-farm ka tapos magre-rescue ka ng mga aso. Ganun. Diba yun yung gusto mo?
Mm-mm.
Kasi nagre-rescue ka ng mga tao ngayon eh.
That's a good point. You see, nakita mo, you are so wise and witty.
Kasi man ng tao na may makinig, di ba? Tapos, yan, yung wisdom mo sa life, yan yung, kung bibigyan siguro ako ng 1 million over your advices, your, sharing your thoughts, your wisdom with us, i-choose ko yung wisdom na i-share mo sa akin or advices mo. I don't take the 1 million.
Ako yung 1 million.
Okay, I will take.
Ako yung 1 million. Wala na lang plastikan.
Opo.
Tsaka, sige na nga, 1 million tsaka advice. Okay.
Of course, kasi yung advice mo magiging, if I will be fine, okay sa life, I will gonna take that 1 million kasi okay na ako sa advice mo eh. I already better.
Okay. Hey. Well, in the coming days, Queen, do something for yourself. Okay?
Yes po.
Do something for yourself. If you can, baka pa pwedeng yung gratifying naman yung gawin mo. Yung walang kinalaman yung benefit ng ibang tao. Benefit mo naman. Sabi dito, go for a walk, go for jogging. Yeah, I agree. That's the reason why I play the guitar kasi it's for me. Wala namang pakialam kahit na kumanta ako, wala ako sa tono, okay lang. Para sa akin yun. Sometimes I run. No one is going to benefit that other than me. I go to the gym, walang makikinabang yan maliban sa akin. Yun yung mga selfish moments ko eh. Para sa akin yun eh. So, do the same. Sometimes I climb mountains. Para sa akin yun eh. Okay?
Yes po.
I'm sorry, Queen. No? I cannot give you a very sound advice. I can only have this banter with you, and I hope that you learn something from it.
Of course. Like, sorry din po kung di masyadong clear yung
No. Don't apologize. It's okay. You are very normal. Very normal.
Kaya ako po natanong kasi normal lang ba mapagod? Kasi sabi na ng tao, tired lahat. Ganun.
Yeah, baka yung mga tao nagsabi sa inyo yan, pinapalakas lang nila loob mo.
Siguro.
Iba lang yung naging dating sa'yo. Na-misinterpret mo lang. Kasi alam mo yan ang sumpa ng mga taong malalakas. Akala ng ibang tao hindi tayo marunong mapagod. Tama?
Yes po.
Anyways, I'm rooting for you. Do good in life, all right?
Yes po.
Thank you.
Thank you din po.
Bye-bye, Queen.
Bye-bye. Thank you.